Hey there, Money Mastery Insights here. Welcome back. Today we're going to unlock the secrets of how to market anything successfully, whether you have a product, service, or even an idea to promote. The first step to mastering Marketing 101 is know your audience. The key to effective marketing lies in understanding your target audience. First would be to define your target audience, conduct market research to identify demographics, preferences, and pain points of your ideal customers. Create detailed buyer personas to help you visualize and empathize with your audience. And then finally, tailor your message. Craft compelling, valued propositions that directly address your audience needs. Use language, tone, visuals that connect with your target market to create an emotional connection. Congrats. Now you made it past step 1, now time for step 2. Develop a solid marketing strategy. Now, there's always multiple ways you can do this, but what I like to do first is set clear goals. Define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives for your marketing campaign. It's also called SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Whether it's increasing sales, brand awareness, or customer engagement, always set goals that align with your overall business objective. Next, you want to choose the right channels. Identify platforms, channels where your target audience is most active. Leverage a mix of, online and offline channels such as social media, email marketing, content creation, events, and partnerships. And then finally, craft compelling content. Develop high quality and engaging content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience. Utilize a variety of formats including videos, blog posts, infographics, and podcasts to appeal to different preferences. Your choice. Now that you're done with that, it's time for step 3. Execute your marketing campaign. With your strategy in place, it's time to execute your marketing campaign and make some noise. Now, some key steps to follow in doing this is build brand awareness. Constantly promote your brand's unique value proposition across all channels. Create captivating visuals, memorable slogans, and a strong brand voice to leave a lasting impression. Now what you want to do is leverage social media. This is very important. Identify the social media platforms where your target audience is the most active. Engage with your followers, run targeted ads, create shareable content, anything to increase brand visibility. Alright, now that you're done with that, you want to collaborate and network. Since you have all the views now, you might as well, So what you want to do now is seek partnerships with influencers, industry leaders, complementary businesses, you name it, whatever you can find, do it. You're going to collaborate on co-marketing initiatives, sponsorships, guest appearances, tap into new audiences, anything to get more views. Congrats, you made it to step 4. Now it's time to analyze and optimize. Successful marketing requires continuous monitoring and optimization. Next, you want to track relevant metrics. Always utilize analytics to measure key performance indicators such as website traffic, conversion rates, and social media engagement. Also, keep an eye on customer feedback. It's kind of important. Alright, now finally what you want to do is optimize your strategies. Analyze the data to identify areas of improvement and test different approaches. Now with all your feedback, you can refine your campaigns based on insights gained from your personal testing, customer feedback, and market trends. Well, there you go. Now you know just about everything there is to marketing, and go tell your story, connect with your audience, let your marketing shine.